Welcome back to another makeup tutorial, everyone. Today I have the honor of doing the lovely Chloe's makeup. She's amazing. I found her on Instagram, we connected, and I said, hey girl, let me do your makeup, and here we are. So let's go. So I started off with a MAC's golden primer just to give it a nice glow. Moving on to MAC's brow pencil. I think this is the one in Lingering. Just combing through her brow. She's got pretty full brows already, so just added a nice shape and an even coverage throughout the brow using the back of the spoolie just to brush through the brow. And then we moved on to Glamour's concealer. So I just wanted to create a nice eye base for eyeshadows to go on. So using a little flat brush, I just brushed the product over her eye and underneath her brow just to shape the brow. I just set that concealer with a clear powder then afterwards. Brush, 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 brush. Make sure you go over the edges of the eye as well. Then using onto my Pixie Beauty palette, we're just going to be working with some nice orange shades. So using a fluffy brush, we're just patting some orange on the outside of the eye, like the outer half. We're going to be using half of the eye for product like colors, and the other half for like a nice shimmery shade. So you're just going to blend that in. Don't go up too high. And then turn the face and remember to do the other side. Just going in with some more oranges. You can build this color up quite intensely, or you can keep it nice and soft, like for a natural bronzy look. We decided to keep it natural and soft. Moving on to a rich brown shade, just to give the eyes a little bit of depth on the outside corners. Just adding a little bit of brown without covering all the orange. So it just kind of makes it a bit warmer. You can make this quite dramatic, make it an evening look by adding more brown and a darker brown as well. Going in with my Pixie shimmer. You could either use a liquid eyeshadow for this, or you could use a powder shimmer eyeshadow, whichever one works best for you. And then just tapping it onto the inner corner and the center of the lid. It's also going to open up the eyes. Look at that sparkle. Julle sy so mooi. Kyk net hierdie kind. Oh my word. And then layer those sparkles. Layer, 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 layer. For foundation, we used NARS as well as a bit of Estee Lauder Double Wear mixed in. So I just gave it a sheer wash of color. She's got really nice skin, so we don't want to cover it all up. So just thinning out the foundation over her face lightly, and I'm using a Real Techniques foundation brush. This is my favorite foundation brush. On the area with a little bit more redness or pigmentation, you just kind of pat the product on instead of sweeping it or buffing it in. Setting the under eye area with MAC's translucent powder, just so that the concealer doesn't crease. Yellow, she's so fun. Quirky human. And then going in with MAC Cosmetics Swiss Chocolate. I'm going to use this as a contour shade. Building on the cheekbone, starting next to the ear, and then just lightly adding product as you go. This product does allow for you to build the color instead of just being like so dark all from the start. Around the nose, under the chin, tip of the nose as well, and around the forehead. Then going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Bronze it up. She really does like a bronze look, so I decided to add a lot of bronzer for her. Around the forehead, around the jawline, around the nose, around the cheekbones, everywhere. Bronze everything. Going in with some MAC highlighter on the tip of the nose. Cupid's bow on the lips, and then the cheekbones. You can add that highlighter as much or as little as you want. I like going in a C shape, so it'd be on the cheekbone and then onto the temple next to the eye. Oh, highlighter is mooi. If you really want, you can add some on the brow bone as well. We did 2 coats of mascara and some individual lashes. I did forget to film the lips. We used the Whirl from MAC lip liner with just a nice clear gloss over. Oh, Oh guys, mascara and lashes make such a big difference. And just end it off with another spritz of golden prepping spray. Voila! And there you have it. Thank you so much, Chloe, for being my amazing model. Can't wait to do your makeup again one day in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also give Chloe a follow on Instagram, and then I will see you guys in the next video. You are blessed and you are loved, and have a fantastic day. Goodbye.